Hey Roses, it's Olena from OlenaRosanne, and I'm coming to you slightly irritated. Your girl just filmed a whole entire video and the camera wasn't even rolling. So, we are going to do this unboxing and pretend like I haven't just seen everything in it. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in just a sec. Okay, welcome back, Roses. As I said, this video is something else. Yeah, I thought I was filming and everything, and I was not. So we're just going to go ahead and go through everything, and I'll tell you what I think about it, even though I just did my first impression just a second ago. We are talking about the BOXYCHARM, and this is the August 2019 BOXYCHARM because your girl's a little late. So I thank you for joining me to even watch, because I'm sure you've already seen what everyone else has received already, because it's now September. Anyway, so first item I have here is from Wander Beauty. Now this says it's a glow ahead illuminating face oil. Now, I do like the applicator. That's pretty nice here. Now, will I be using this illuminator? I'm not sure. It does say that this is used to prime the skin. And let's see here. You use 2 to 3 drops. And it's supposed to bring out the skin's inner radiance, which is nice, I guess. You know, with the colder months coming, I may possibly use this, but I may not, because I already use a face oil. And if you know what face oil I actually use based on previous videos, let me know in the comment field, okay? Next item I have here is from Ace Beauty. Actually, I have 2 items here from Ace Beauty. These are both glimmer shadows. One is in the color French Vanilla, and this one is in Huckleberry. My favorite out of the 2 is Huckleberry. Why? Because, you know, it just reminds me of a little bit of purple. It has pink in it. I'm not really a pink girl, but if it's on the fuchsia side or it's a hot pink, I'll go for it. And this has a little bit of, it looks like a shimmer to it, so I like that. Let me put a little bit on my hand. And it shows up. According to what it says here, it is supposed to be a bold color. Let me see. What did it say? You know, because I've already looked at this before. Yes, it's a high pigmented soft shadow, and it did come out soft. It says it's a creamy texture. It did feel creamy when I put my finger into it. You're supposed to be able to put it on without fallout, creasing, or fading. Interesting. Retails for $25, you guys. And it's the Glimmer Shadow Duo. So apparently these come together. $25. What was this? This illuminating face oil from Wander Beauty. This retails for $42. Woo! Next item I have here. I already got the box open. Is it even in it? It's right here. This is from Tarte, and it's a mascara called Big Ego. The packaging is really pretty. Gets your attention. And here goes the wand. I like the wand. It is a big wand, so I'm sure that helps with getting bigger lashes. So, we'll go ahead and put that back. It's in the color black. I'll try this possibly in another video. I hope it's a dark black. Black is black. That it can be. Now you guys saw this probably on my hand already. This I wasn't really too thrilled with. This is a lip pencil, you guys, from Steve Laurent. Now looking at it, you know, just looking at it and then looking at my skin tone, I don't know. No, really, I do know. This is what it swatched like on my hand. And it's not dark enough. When I want to line my lips, I normally line with a darker liner. This would not be it. I don't know. Other than that, I'm probably not going to touch it. Okay, and the last item I have here is from Becca. Now, I do appreciate this product here because this is my very first product from Becca. Yes, I'm a Becca newbie. And it's nice that the first product I get here is a Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So, taking out of the package, looking at this, the packaging is beautiful. It is beautiful, you guys. Now, seeing as though I got this, I feel like I need to get some Becca foundation. What y'all think? So this is in the color Golden Bronze, and what I thought was impressive about this is I believe this said this was made with 50% water. Yes, 50% water and glycerin. So this brings hydration to your face, supposedly. So hopefully, with that said, hopefully it will not crease underneath my eyes. I don't know. And hopefully there won't be any flashback. If you guys have already tried this particular product and you are close to my skin tone, you know, let me know. How does it work for you? Do you like it? Do you get flashback? Are you creasing underneath the eyes? You know, what's going on? Let me know. I do like the color of it. This color is, yeah, Golden Bronze. But hopefully it won't look ashy, so we'll find out. So anyway, that was everything I got from my, yes, August 2019 BOXYCHARM. And this is actually my second box from BOXYCHARM. My first one I actually shared. I shared that on Instagram during a live. So that's where I shared that at. This is the second one. The third one will obviously be to me at any point during the month of September, since we are in September. If you guys would like me to continue sharing my BOXYCHARMs unboxings, let me know. Let me know if you got any of the same products. Let me know if you're a new subscriber. I want to say hi to you in the comments. And if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. If you're one of my longtime subscribers, thank you. I really do appreciate you for being part of my rose garden. And that's it for now, you guys. If you've noticed, I'm in a new location. I have recently moved. If you guys see my last video, that was a vlog type video, and I was just telling you about a little bit of, you know, what I was doing. But yeah, I have moved, so I'm still working out how I'm going to do filming all together. Anyway, I will talk to you roses later. Bye.